Hi everyone, I'm Chen. Welcome to Flyingvoice. Point of sale is widely used by everyday consumer. Anytime you pay with a credit card, there is a dial modem behind it, which transferring data and returning an approval or denial quickly. Traditional POS systems are easier to set up and only require a telephone line to start accepting credit cards. Due to the easier and cost-effective installation, dial POS system has become the most widely deployed in the United States. Dial modems are very suitable for the applications where an always-on connection is not required. For example, most modems transfer data up to 56 kbps, but the POS system does not require those kinds of speeds. Transactions are normally quite small and may only require 300 bps up to 2.4 kbps. Consequently, small amounts of data and minimal speed needs, the dial-up solutions can be much cheaper. The on-demand connections also ensures the better security. The computer is only connecting to the internet just long enough to complete the transaction, greatly reduce the chance of being hacked. Even though we know the POS lines are suitable for this kind of application, but the POS line cost is rising, and older copper line network made this solution more difficult to keep alive. We need to turn to the digital communication. VoIP provides more flexibility and easier communication through internet. However, you may run into problems when you use your POS machine with VoIP. Regularly, the VoIP account will register to the PBX. The data transfer via the internet, go through the SIP trunk or PSTN to the remote headquarters. The quality of the telecom provider network is very sensitive for the modem call. Only good quality network could guarantee the complete transmission. With years of experience on the POS replacement, Flyingvoice POS box provides stable wireless internet access or connect to the internet via broadband. Battery backup for the emergency power outage. ATA gateway provides the dial tone for the legacy modem. It was well designed to support the modem-based applications. With Flyingvoice POS replacement to ensure your business no interrupt. If you want to know more details about the POS replacement, please check the flyingvoice.com. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.